Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do Mass Effects collision. So go to create and choose Torres and go to front view and draw one and make it the radius 130 and the radius 2 make it 12 and draw another one in perspective view and make it the radius 135 and the radius 2 will be 5 and change the position and then press shift and move it to the right an instance. Okay, and then choose rotate and make it 90 degree yep, change the position choose this and press shift and then another instance. Okay, and then choose this item and make it as a static object and go to shape type, change it from convex to concave, then press generate. After that choose this and make it dynamic object, then change preset as a steel and change shape type from convex to concave, then press generate, then go to create and choose a sphere and make it a new one and put it as a dynamic and press simulate. So as you can see it's not joined together, so we will join all these items together now. Press reset and choose the sphere and change it to sphere and go to here there and make it create a digit constraint. Good, and go to modify and click parent undefined and choose the last one, simulate. Okay, and then we want to do create a box, so draw box and put all the dimensions 100. And then choose move tool and edit the position. Okay, and then choose the box, go to tools, array, make it this 110, preview. Okay, and then go to the D, make it 10, and from Y make it 110, preview. Yep. Okay, and then choose one of these boxes and make it as a dynamic. Yep, as you can see, all boxes have moved before the sphere touched them. So we need to choose one box of them, and click start in sleep mode, and then try to do simulate.